Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how factories process millions of eggs and chicken meat daily? Join us as we explore technology's advanced applications and potential in producing safe, clean, and high-quality products in the poultry industry. Have you ever wondered how sorting eggs right from the start affects the health and quality of chickens later on? Each egg must undergo strict inspection to eliminate any imperfections. This process ensures that only the best eggs are placed in the incubator, where they will incubate for 21 days at a stable temperature of 38 degrees Celsius. The incubation room is equipped with 24 modern incubators, capable of holding about 120,000 eggs, each of which is automatically rotated regularly every hour to simulate the care of a mother hen, ensuring healthy development for the embryo inside. This process helps each egg nurture new life, ready to greet the outside world. Join me in exploring the unique incubator, the James Way Platinum 2.0 incubator, a symbol of advanced technology in the poultry industry. Regarded as one of the top choices on the market, it is designed to create an ideal hatching environment with precisely controlled temperature and humidity. It stands out for its ability to maintain the best conditions for embryo development, thereby improving hatch rates and ensuring high health and quality for the chicks. This machine helps poultry farms increase production efficiency and brings high profits, becoming a reliable tool and partner in the poultry industry. In manufacturing plants, the Sanovo palletizer egg packaging machine proudly stands as an unsung hero. More than just a device, the Sanovo palletizer acts as a guardian for each small egg, ensuring they are carefully and safely packaged before reaching consumers. Every achievement starts with this meticulous preservation, from round eggs to healthy chicks later. With advanced technology, the Sanovo palletizer automates the loading and unloading process, minimizing the risk of egg breakage and maximizing production efficiency. This machine is not just a tool, but a reliable companion in the journey of every egg. You might have yet to know about another prominent figure in egg packaging technology, the Prinzen PSPC30. While the Sanovo palletizer acts as a giant designed for large factories, where efficiency and scale are paramount, the Prinzen PSPC30 is a companion for smaller operations. It packs eggs quickly and carefully, ensuring minimal impact or jostling that could damage the eggs. It focuses on providing the best product protection and keeping the eggs safe during transport and storage. Each machine offers improvements in the quality of the final product, but is tailored to different business sizes, thereby meeting the specific needs of each. It's undeniable that the explosion of high technology has marked a significant turning point in how we work and produce. Artificial intelligence, automation, and industrial robots replace humans in repetitive tasks and optimize labor efficiency. Today, automated production lines are becoming more innovative and flexible, pushing production efficiency to its limits. This opens up opportunities for workers to transition to jobs that require higher creativity, meticulous management, and sharper strategic thinking, thereby enhancing the quality of working life and personal development. Have you ever been curious about new technological innovations in egg incubation? Take the chance to explore this with us. After 18 days of care, eggs must be transferred to hatching baskets to prevent newly hatched chicks from getting stuck and ensure their safety during the hatching process. Moving to hatching baskets also creates ideal conditions for the embryo's development inside, ensuring the health of the chicks upon birth. This is a crucial step. Dedication and careful preparation are needed to ensure each chick is born into the best possible environment. I believe you'll be intrigued by the technology of continuous egg incubation, a significant advancement in the poultry farming industry. This method allows for strict temperature and humidity control, reducing environmental fluctuations affecting the embryo. This enhances the success rate of embryo hatching and ensures the quality of chicks after hatching, stabilizing production volume and reducing quality variability, increasing market competitiveness. Moreover, a computer-controlled system automatically supplies food and water, ensuring the chickens receive the necessary nutrients and hydration. The system also can monitor the amount of food and water consumed, supporting efficient resource management and minimizing waste, thereby optimizing the production process. The Big Dutchman nipple drinking system offers a clean and safe water supply solution for chickens, utilizing modern nipple technology. This system can serve 10 to 15 chickens per nipple, ensuring an even and efficient water distribution. Its main benefits include reducing water wastage and preventing contamination, which helps decrease the risk of diseases and maintains a dry living area for the chickens. This improves the health and growth performance of the flock, making this system an optimal choice for modern poultry farms. Commercial chicken breeds go through a meaningful cycle on the journey from farm to table. The harvest time, from when they start their journey to when they reach their destination, typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks. They are cared for and nurtured until they reach the desired weight, usually between 2 to 3.5 kilograms, to meet the market's diverse needs and consumers' culinary preferences. Join us as we explore one of the world's most renowned chicken harvesting technologies. Mayan Poultry Processing Equipment. Mayan's equipment is designed to automate the entire chicken harvesting process, from transportation to slaughtering, cleaning, and final packaging. This automation increases production efficiency by reducing processing time and improving accuracy, while ensuring product quality through strict control at each process step. Mayan is an ideal choice for large-scale poultry, farming and processing enterprises, thanks to its ability to optimize processes and reduce labor costs. We must recognize the remarkable benefits of chicken meat. Chicken stands out with its high protein content, selenium, and B vitamins, making it a healthier choice compared to other meats like beef or pork. Chicken has less saturated fat and fewer calories than beef, while it offers cleaner protein with less cholesterol compared to pork. With its mild flavor and tender texture, chicken is suitable for daily dishes and special meals. It's an indispensable ingredient in balanced and healthy diets, highlighting its health benefits over other types of meat. Thank you for joining us in exploring how people use advanced technology to mass-produce eggs and chickens. Take the chance to discover more about the methods, processes, and latest technologies in this industry. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos from us.